Kam Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee kalak kentu ya ke sorkar bakadai ban Khang no Shisnton ya kini ki website jong ki phlim dakait bat kumjuru ya ki jinghikai ki ba ki khna ki juilakai ka ba wanra ya ka jingim jongki ha ka jingma habakran bikinok thok khobor nak liang ka president jong ka MPMCC ka kong joblin Shylla kalong ba kidon ki jinghikai ki ba kadon ki jingta ya ki khna khamtam habai dei bat kitu ki jinghikai ki ban penyap ya ki wei kumjuru kitu ki ba phasi ya lade Nagaliang jong ka president jong ka PMCC ka kong joblin Shylla kala kerpat ya ke sorkar bagadai ban pet baya kum gini ki jinghikai kadai ban Khang Shisndon bat banam ailat ya ki khna makinyo banilakai kala ongru ba kala dei kapur ka babiang ba hagi jaka puli ki dei ban ai jinghikai habai dei bat ka shongkha ka shongman khnang ba ki khna kin sngotu ya ka jinglong ka jongki bat ba ki kme ki paru kidai ban yakran yakhana bat ki khun ki kti ha bai dei bat kani
wa ban pha ka khobor snolem ki bai ba sem yang ki bro lai hut ki hebrit ki ba sha that ka jing im jang ki lempor te ni ru skwa ong tang ka wei ba ka sarkar ka dewan Khang no ya ka pornography site bat ikitu ki games ki bayalam ki kena syakalenti ke babakla mata pindak pe ki kunjungi apo ka bakiale games apo mobile ki pelik jemut hadu kata-kata bai ka kot kila no ti dengi pai dengi pet kade shishakin banja kini ki ba senil baki kunjungi kila no ti hakawai ka perthai kamlong su akan ka perthai ka bachisha kalau nak tu kepercayai ke ba daki kamkai sudah larung haka klik ke jabing ke jongki tingi kerpat red ya ke sarkar bakadon haka bor bahkan snobha ban yalekat bala ban Khang no ikini ki games ki bakta ki kelung ki kena bat kini kamtam ya ke pornographic site lane ki phlim dakait baki peni hapo kini ki mobile apps tang hapo live tang hapo shibnai rumpat dap live li ki jingim jang ki kelung la lai ka sedang khatau tarik September kas nanta ka di tarik Oktober manta ka di kendai tarik mau bajak di kelung dia menang di syakmat pada sokan ngut ki kelung ba pinya kimdit benriu haba naka syunturu CM ru 4 don ibu on de nem tangi kwa ru ban keliru ka chairperson jong ka child welfare ka don chano balik kam kit kle balik kam mi kam ai shikentin arkentin ba hakani ki jinja kam don ngimyo i chano ka ja CM ubon kam cepat Manipur jemalawan pek pada hang ni tidak himyala banyak pek resign simple as that boy kibre ke bala menteri ka kam it's high time that sex education should be introduced in schools and even with parents they should be able to discuss openly with the parents and children. I think it's high time because children, as they grow up, they don't know, when they grow up, adolescents, they know who to talk to. They can't just talk with their friends of the same age. They see these kind of movies or whatever on the internet, then they get excited and they want to try it out. And they try it out on anybody, so that leads to a lot of rape cases that's happening in our state also.